In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy and effective way to remove watermarks from an image. Whether you're editing a personal project, working on a design, or you just want to clean up an image, removing watermarks can be a lifesaver. And the best part, it's totally beginner-friendly. Let's dive right in. Alright, so the first method I'll show you is using a free online tool. There are plenty of websites available, but for this tutorial we'll be using Watermark Remover, which is very user-friendly. Here's how it works. First, head over to watermarkremover.io. I will leave the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, click on Upload Image. Go ahead and select the image that has the watermark on it. I'll be using this sample image. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a switch on the right side of the screen. This tool allows you to switch on to remove watermark that you want to remove. Simply click on the On button to enable it to remove the watermark. Boom! The watermark is gone and the image looks clean. You can now download the edited image by clicking the Download button. And that's it. Super easy way to remove watermarks from your images. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, it really helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. And I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. I'm always reading and replying to as many as I can. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.